Do you dread climbing a ladder just to clear your gutters? It's a hassle and can be dangerous for homeowners. With the Sputter gutter cleaning tool, keep your feet on solid ground and still get the job done easily and safely. This lightweight, ladder-free tool works by attaching to any standard extension pole, letting you tackle clogged downspouts. No need to risk a fall. Clean gutters safely, no climbing, just extend the pole and start clearing out debris. Beyond unclogging gutters, it can also help retrieve stray frisbees or branches from your roof easily. It even assists in hanging outdoor holiday lights, making decorating during the festive season simpler and safer. Many homeowners appreciate how it prevents water damage and basement flooding by keeping gutters flowing smoothly. No more awkward balancing or unsafe climbs, just straightforward, effective gutter maintenance from the safety of the ground. If you want a simple, smart way to protect your home and save time, this tool is worth checking out. Remember to subscribe and turn on channel notifications for more practical home tips.